Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evie if you're new here, and on this video I'll be turning some of my leftover yarn into a beautiful colorful crochet skirt. Yeah, so grab your hook, some of your leftover yarns, and let's crochet together. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Also like the video and leave a comment down below. So guys, for the scrap and skirt, these are the materials that I'll be using. Some of my, as I have more, some of my scrap yarns, my tape measure, my pair of scissors, and my all-time crochet hook. So to start, I will just need one yarn. Okay, let me take this. So I'll start with this yarn, and I'll be making a chain of 12 inches. That's a length from under my waist to around my thigh area. Yeah, so not under, I think yeah, under my waist. Yeah, here near the under the pelvic bone to my waist area, to my thigh area. So I'll make a chain of 12 inches because I do not want it too short or too long. So go ahead with your chain of 12 inches. So I have my 12 inches ready, so I will just place double crochets. For this project I'll be working double crochets, and I will work double crochets halfway and then change the color of my yarn into change the color of my yarn into another color. So place double crochets or halfway. Here halfway I will cut yarn and then join this yarn to another yarn, which is color blue. We are working scrap yarn, so just change any color you feel like. So I will change into blue and then work double crochets all the way up to here at the end of the row. At the end I will chain one, and remember this length is from the hips area here to the thigh area on this side. So I'm working, my work will be something like this. Yeah, so I've chained one. I will go back with double crochets all through, but I will change the color of my yarn to another color. So I will cut here and then work a pink yarn, so I will join these two and then proceed with double crochets halfway. Here where I'm almost halfway, I will change my color and I will cut the pink yarn and then join it with the peach. Remember, you can work any color of your choice. For me, I want it to be colorful, and then proceed with double crochets all the way up to the end here. The remaining yarn, this one I will just tuck it in. This remaining yarn here, I will just tuck it in like this and then work with it like how I'm doing now, other than you leaving it on the inner side and then cutting it at the end. I think the easier way is to like tuck it in and then place your double crochets on top of it. At this other end also I will place a double crochet and then proceed a little with this color of yarn and then change it to another color. So this will be the pattern all through, and I will be okay, it's like this from the waist area here to the thigh area. So I will be working not a length, the width will be 33. So from here I'll be working 33. That's my hips measurements. Yeah, that's my hips measurements. So I'll be working a width of 33 inches, and I'll work off camera and then I'll meet you once I'm done working the hips measurements. So I'll change my yarn and then proceed off camera. I'll change it to this purple, and then from here onwards I'll proceed. I'll crochet off camera. So I have already my 33 inches. This is my work. I've folded like that, so it will be half of it, which is 16. Yeah, half of it, which is 16 and a half. So the next thing I'll do is I'll be joining the two sides, and for the two sides I will turn my work on the other side, the wrong side, like this, and then insert my hook and work single crochets all through to join. Remember, we started with this color of yarn and we will finish with it. So I will insert my hook and my yarn and then work single crochets all through from this corner to this other corner. And then from there I will be working on my waist area. Done joining, so I will turn my work on the clean side and then work the waist area. And for the waist area I will be using a black yarn, and then I will make some decrease on this corner here, and on this other corner I have, let me mark. So I will take my yarn, the black one, and then insert and proceed with my waist area. So for the decrease I will, first of all I'll place a double crochet and then make my decrease. And for the decrease I will insert my hook, yarn over, and then insert, yarn over, pull through the 3 and then pull through the 2. So make a decrease here and on this other corner, but from here I'll proceed with my double crochets all through until I'm at the other corner. Back here where we started, I'll also place a decrease, but at first I will join the 2 with the slip stitch, and then now work on my decrease, which is like a single crochet but not full single crochet, and then yarn over, pull through 3 and then pull through 2. So decrease on this end and on this other end, because I've realized I've reached my desired waist length, which is half of it, which is 14. Yeah, so but still I'll make a decrease, a second row of decrease. So continue with double crochets. I hope you can see, since I'm working on a black yarn, so proceed with double crochets all through and here, and then I'll catch up with you once I'm there. On this other side I'll also place a decrease, which is like a not fully single crochet, and then yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2, and then I'll proceed with double crochets all through, and I'll be working on 2 other rows, and then I'll be done with my waist area. So proceed all the way until here where I did mark my work. I'm back here now. For the remaining 2 rows I'll be working double crochet front posts, and for the front post I'll place a normal double crochet, and then on the next I'll place under the double crochet, so a normal double crochet, and then and on the next double crochet, and I'll be working this row, the first row of front post, and then the second row, which will be the last row of my front posts. Back here where we started on my second row, I will also, my second and my last row, I'll be doing the front post, so a normal double crochet, and the next one I'll work under, I hope you can see, under a normal double crochet, and then under. So I'll be only doing 2 rows, like I said, of double crochet front post. This is my last one. I will proceed and work off camera, and then yeah, also you can make drawstrings if you want, but for me, I think I'll be wearing without a drawstring. It's okay. Or if you have the, yeah, you can make a drawstring if you want to, but for me, I think it's okay without a drawstring. At the end, I will just cut my yarn and then place a slip stitch and the slip knot, pull tight, and then I will tuck this in, and that's it for skirt. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, share, leave a comment, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So yeah, that's how my skirt looks like. I won't be putting a drawstring. I'm okay without a drawstring. So yeah, I'll catch up with you on my next video.